How's it going? I'm Ryan Pierce, and I'm going to tell you how you can become a hosting reseller for free with Resellers Panel. The free reseller program gives you all the tools, features, and help that you need to start your own web hosting company the moment you sign up. And it's all at no cost, with a quick and simple sign-up procedure. It will take no time at all to set up your own online store. Our in-house built reseller control panel makes running your store easy, so you don't need any training or advanced computer skills. You resell our web hosting services, shared web hosting accounts, semi-dedicated servers, dedicated servers, and virtual private servers. With Resellers Panel, you never pay in advance for our services in order to resell them. Now, once a client buys the hosting plan, you will get the difference between your retail price and our wholesale price without you ever paying a penny first. This is what I mean when I say you don't need any financial investment. We will support all your customers on your behalf. We will also take care of the server management, billing processing, sales verification, and all other procedures your hosting company is involved with. So join resellerspanel.com today and make some money from home and be your own boss.